Ayan. So, hi everyone. So, welcome back to my channel. So, ito nga po. So, nandito na tayo sa usapang rational expressions. So, sabi nga natin, for the rational expressions, this will be representation of the polynomial p over q, wherein q must not be equal to 0. So, q is not equal to 0 because if your denominator will be equal to 0, then your answer will be undefined. Very good. So to start off with the rational expression, let's start with the basic part, and that is to evaluate, or the evaluation of rational expressions wherein you are given the polynomial and also you are given the value of the variable. So for example, I have here 3x squared all over 2. So we'll have, and let's say x is equal to 4. So we just need to substitute the value of x to the given polynomial or for the given rational expressions. So 3 times 4 and then squared. Always write the value of x inside the quantity or the parentheses and then 2. So what are you going to do? Simplify first. Use or follow the PEMDAS. So we'll start with the simplification of the exponents. So 3 and then 4 squared is 16. Very good. And then divide by 2. What is 3 times 16? Perfect. O diba? Palaban na kayo. Kayang-kaya nyo na yan. So that's 48. And then 48 divided by 2 will give us an answer of 24. Okay, so that's our final answer. Now, what if we are given 3x plus 2 and then 4y minus 1, wherein x is equal to 3 and then y is equal to 2. So we just need to substitute their values. So 3 times the quantity of 3 plus 2 all over 4 times the quantity of 2 minus 1. So that will give us 9 plus 2 and 8 minus 1. 9 plus 2 is 11. 8 minus 1 is 7. So yan na po. Lowest term na po ba yan? Yes. So that's our final answer na po. Okay. So that is for the evaluation of the rational expressions. But now, what if we have the simplification or simplifying rational expressions? So simplifying rational expressions is somehow the same with getting the lowest term of numbers only. So for example, I have 10 divided by 40. So these numbers are both divisible by 10. So, kailangan kung ano yung dinivide mo sa taas, hindi na di-divide mo sa baba. So, that's 1 over 4. So, samahan na natin siya. Let's try. 10 x raised to 5, y raised to 6, all over 40, x squared, y. So, sabi nga natin, 10 and 40 are both divisible by 10. So, 10 divided by 10 is 1. 40 divided by 10 is 4. And then for the variable, kung sino po yung mas mababa, we just need to cancel it out. So mas mababa si x squared. Then subtract that exponent dun sa mas mataas. So 5 minus 2 will give us 3. And the same goes with the y's. Since mas mababa to, it's the same as y raised to 1. So ibawas natin yung by 6, magiging 5 na lang. Okay? So, your final answer, ano po yung mga naiwan sa atin? So that is 1, or simply, kahit di na natin muna siya isama kasi may naiwan pang iba. X cubed, y raised to 5, all over 4. Another one, let's try this. So if I have here 6x raised to 8, all over 12 x raised to 10. So both numbers are divisible by 6. So numerical coefficient natin, magiging 1 at saka magiging 2. Sino mas mababa? Si x raised to 8. So cancel out x raised to 8. Si 10 ay magiging 2 na lang. Very good. Eh sir, paano po yan? Nawala po na naiwan dun sa taas po natin. So hindi po pwedeng wala. That is 1. And most especially sa numerator. And then what remains for the denominator? We'll have 2x raised to 2. Very good. Another one. Kung meron po tayong given sa atin, let's say 4x plus 4y all over 3x plus 3y. So kapag ganyan naman po, hindi tayo pwedeng basta-basta mag-cancel out dahil naka-plus naman po sila. So ano po ang gagawin natin dyan? So we need to factor out. So factor by GCF yung pwede natin magawa dito. And also with the denominator. And then kapag ganyan po na meron ng pareho inside the quantity, pwede po nating tanggalin or ma-cancel out yung isa. So x plus y cancel out and another x plus y to be canceled out. So ano na lang po ang natira sa atin? That's 4 over 3. So yan po yung final answer po natin. Eh paano sir kung marami po? For example, meron ako x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. Tapos sa denominator po natin, meron tayong x minus 1, x plus 2. Oh, hanapin po ninyo sino yung mga kapareho niyan. Since it's already part by part, quantity by quantity naman po ang given sa atin. So, pwede mo cancel out yan, x minus 1, x plus 2, hanggang saang naiwan na lang sa atin, naiisa na lang, and that is x plus 1. Okay? Paano po? Ito po ang meron sa atin. 2x minus 4 all over x squared minus 4. Merong mga ibang factoring na style na gagamitin. So, alalahanin po natin lahat ng factoring dyan. So, 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. And this one is also x plus 2 and x minus 2. Meron po ba tayong pwedeng i-cancel out doon sa loob ng ating mga o doon sa mga quantities na meron po tayo? Yes, very good. So, kung ano man po yon, that is x minus 2. Very good. So, yun po yung pwede natin i-cancel out dyan sa given sa atin. So, cancel out x minus 2, and what will remain will be 2 over x plus. Ayan, ang galing na. Kayang-kaya na, di ba? Another, we'll have x squared plus 5x plus 6 all over x squared minus 9. Tingnan natin. So, factors natin dito, x plus 2 and x plus 3 all over x plus 3 and x minus 3. Meron po ba tayong pwede ma-cancel out? Yes, very good. So, cancel out this one and you'll have x plus 2 over x minus. Eh, sir, what if po may binigay sa amin na ganito, x minus 4 and then 4 minus x. Ano po ang gagawin namin dyan? Parehong-pareho po na meron tayong same terms. X and x, 4 and 4 for the denominator and the numerator. Pero po, kung titingnan ninyo, yung parehong sign nila magkaiba. Si x sa numerator ay positive, si x sa denominator ay negative. Si 4 sa numerator ay negative, si 4 sa denominator ay positive. Kung ganun po na parehong magkaiba yung signs nila, then we have the option to put the negative outside the parentheses. Doon na lang po tayo sa denominator para hindi na tayo mahirapan pa. So, x minus 4. And then, we're going to put the negative outside. We're going to change the signs of these two. So, that's negative 4 plus x. And negative 4 plus x is just the same as x minus 4. Napansin po ninyo, parehong-pareho na. So, we can cancel out. Hindi pwedeng walang maiiwan. Merong 1 yan, pero dahil may naiwan pang negative, so negative 1 ang magiging sagot po natin dyan. Another, we'll have 2x minus 4, or rather 2x plus 4 na lang. And then, negative x minus 2. So, factor out, that will be 2x plus 2. And then, negative x minus 2. Hala, paano po yan, sir? Magkaiba na naman yung signs nila pareho, kahit pareho yung terms. Pwede po bang maglabas ng negative? Pwede. Kasi sa taas, positive si x, sa baba, negative si x. Sa taas, positive si 2, sa baba, negative si 2. So, yung parehong terms, magkaiba ng sign. So, that's 2x plus 2. And then, labas na negative, magiging x plus 2 na siya. Cancel out, x plus 2. Paano yan, sir? Ito na lang ang natira. So, of course, 2, and then dahil may naiwan pa negative, negative 2 na po ang sagot natin. So, yan na po lahat. Do your best. Lagi lang pong kailangang alalahanin yung factoring na napag-aralan po natin. Okay? Thank you and goodbye po.